Hey everybody, it's game time again. Game time. Kickoff is set for T minus like 10 seconds. I'm only going to take 10 seconds to say this is 2019 Leaf Metal Draft Football. It has 5 cards in the box and all 5 are autographs, and all 5 autographs are on card. As you probably already know, I've already opened one box of this. Go check that video out if you feel so inclined. And see what I got there. That box I felt was pretty good. I'm hoping this one will be better though. There was, you know, like it's hard to say. There was nothing that astounding because you really don't know what these kids are going to do yet. These are all young players who haven't really played in the league yet, and we don't know. Alright, we're starting off with Jamarius Way. This is like the wave parallel, not numbered though. Next up, looks like a Bama player. Yep, it is Isaiah Buggs. He's pretty good. Numbered out of 20. So this is a blue wave. That is card number 2. Number 3 looks like Texas A&M. Jay Sternberger. 4 out of 7. So super short print there. I think that's A&M. Looks like their uniforms. Doesn't say on the back. So that's card 3. A super short print. I guess this is a black parallel. Jace Sternberger. Number 4 is Cleveland Farrell. Looks like, what uniform is that? Clemson probably? Although I don't see the little paw on the helmet, but they may not can show it. Cleveland Farrell. It's got a little bit of ink dots back there, but so this is just the base card, base auto, not numbered or anything. Alright, last card is another Bama player, Josh Jacobs, who is actually really good, and well, in my opinion. It's another wave, but it's not numbered. This guy's got talent. I don't know how far he'll go in the NFL, but he's got skills. I think he has a really good story too. I think he was homeless. If I'm thinking of the right player, and I'm pretty sure I am, he was like homeless at one point, and I don't know how, and ended up managed getting into college and doing very well. It's just like a really heartwarming story, so I'm hoping he's very successful. So that's it. Another box of Leaf 2019 draft. I hesitated to get too many of these because I don't know a lot about the you know, all the rookies, and we haven't even had the draft yet. So I may get more in the future, but for now that's it. 2 of these is enough for the time being. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you more than you could ever know. And I hope you watch the next video, which will be very soon. Everybody take care. I'll be back with y'all again soon.